Hello guys, in this session we are learn about the plugins. What is plugins? A plugin is a bit of add-on code that provides the JavaScript interface to the native component. Plugins provide the native device compatibility beyond the pure web app. All of the main Cordova API features are implemented as the plugins. You can also download the third-party plugins by using the npm. Config.xml file includes all of the plugins name that we are installed. Note that all of the plugin does not support all of the operating systems. To view the list of available plugins, we need to open the cordova.apache.org/plugins. This page contains lots of plugins. You can see that there are around 1500 plugins available and they are incrementing continuously. We can also filter the plugin based on the operating system. Let's open the Cordova plugin dialog. You can see that it was redirected to the npm site. This page contains the full details about that plugin. It was built success on the Android, iOS, Windows 8.1 store and Windows 10 store. For installing that plugin, we need to use the following command: Cordova plugin add and the plugin name, that is Cordova-plugin-dialogs. It contains the following method: alert, confirm, prompt and the beep. The syntax of that is like that, and it also provides the example and the supported operating systems. It also provides the platform specific tricks. For this we need to open the command prompt in the admin mode and switch to the directory where we are create our Cordova application. For see the install plugin, we need to write the Cordova plugins. You can see that the only whitelist is the install plugin. To install the dialog, we need to write the Cordova plugins add Cordova plugin-dialogs. Now it is fetching data from the npm and installing. It was installed successfully. Again, we can execute the Cordova plugins command to see the install plugin. Now you can see that the notification is also installed. It also provides the version detail. To remove any plugin, we need to use Cordova plugins remove and the plugin name, that is Cordova-plugin-dialog. Now it was uninstalling plugin and the removing. If you notice that this directory was not built by the command line interface, it was built by the Visual Studio. However, still I can execute those commands because Visual Studio itself executes those commands behind the scenes. To manage all of the plugins via the Visual Studio, we need to use the config.xml file and click on the plugins tab. It provides the list of the available plugins. We can click on the any of those, and we can see that it's the detail and the supported operating system also. To add, we need to just click on the add button, which will download all of the data in the background via the npm. Now it was installed, so the remove button. We can simply click on it and remove it. You can see that it also display the green tick mark along with this list, which specify that this plugin was installed. You can also see the list of installed plugin by just clicking on the install tab and click on remove to remove it. We can also add the plugin customly by specifying the plugin ID or from the git URL. To install plugin via command line, we need to use the command line plugin add command, and for installing via the Visual Studio, we need to open the config.xml file. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, contact me.